welcome to the very last episode of Season 5, a season that told you a story of luxury, fashion and glamour at its very best. And to wrap up a season like this, how could we bring you anything less? As a part of our global luxury travel segment and as a celebration of a wonderful season gone by, tonight High Life Dubai brings to your TV screens the beauty and the diversity of the culture-rich Euro-Asian country, Turkey. If you thought that the hottest summer destinations for the rich and the famous are the beaches of Saint-Tropez or Sorrento, then think again. Unspoiled white sands, turquoise water and crystal blue skies is what makes Turkey the new most exciting destination for all those who seek luxury amidst sun and sand. For sheikhs and royalty to Turkish and Hollywood celebrities, everyone is intrigued about the beauty of this land. So stay with us on this 1 hour-long excursion through the charming little port Bodrum and the megacity of Istanbul. Come on, Dubai. Get ready to experience Turkey in all its grandeur. Get ready to live it up the High Life Dubai way. Just when the summer got too sizzling to handle, like the numerous globetrotters of Dubai, I too packed my bag, and this time it was Turkey calling the explorer in me. तो चलिए मेरे साथ टर्की के इस खूबसूरत पोर्ट टाउन बोद्रम में, and let's experience luxury at one of the finest hotels, the Kempinski Bodrum. Located on the west coast of Turkey with a view of Greek islands and a short distance away from the town of Bodrum, the Kempinski Bodrum is a beautifully bright and spacious hotel offering unrivaled views across the Aegean Sea and its islands. This luxurious hotel is situated on a cliff top in a secluded location a little away from the town. A short walk or buggy drive down the cliff path takes you to a private sandy beach where guests can swim in the warm sea or take advantage of the water sports activities. Each of the 148 guest rooms have glorious sea views with balconies or terraces overlooking the hotel's private bay. The hotel boasts of 2 exceptional presidential suites in 200 square meters supremely comfortable space with a terrace that has an open-air rooftop whirlpool designed with a diverse Asian flavor or optimum desired taste. All have en-suite bathrooms, air conditioning and free Wi-Fi and are decorated in calm and neutral colors. The shopping boutique completes the overall holiday experience with some great retail opportunities.
Kempinski Barbaros Bay Bodrum opened in 2006. The whole team behind the hotel was Turkish. You know, this resort is setted in a totally unique environment, and the bay around us and the nature makes it a very generous place. So it's a bit of a naturally healing place. For that reason, I mean, it was the initial thought of the developers, and for that reason, the building is in steps overlooking the sea. So this has created a large number of spaces and big spaces. Even at the peak of the activity of the hotel, you are never surrounded by too many people. You have your own space.
just the beach during the day, Barbarossa Beach and Grill has a beverage bar, a wood-burning oven for grills, and guests can also cool down with smoothies, sorbets, and chilled summer cocktails. They also serve a tea time buffet, and at night, this unique Asian fish restaurant offers the most succulent lobsters, shrimps, squid, and fresh wild fish. कहा गया है कि when in Rome, do as the Romans do. So obviously, when in Turkey, eat as the Turkish eat. Here is one place that I've been waiting to try out, the Barbarossa Beach and Grill, which serves traditional Turkish food during the day and traditional fresh Turkish meze and fish at night. So for a true blue Bengali girl like me, whose staple diet has been fish, this surely is going to be a treat.
USPs of Kempinski Hotel Barbaros Bay, actually the thing that's crucially we are communicating to everybody is that we are in the very close reach to everywhere, to Europe, to UAE, to like everywhere around the world. It's within an easy reach, and you can be far from everything in this hotel but still very close to everywhere. So that's the most important thing that we communicate. And besides, we can assure that you will get the service and you get the product, you get the experience that you can never experience anywhere or you can never meet anywhere. This place will give you all the opportunities to get the best of a resort, but still making you feel like you're at your home.
At the Six Senses Spa, a massage is truly an enlightening experience that harmonizes the body's energy. You can experience a Turkish hammam, which includes an olive oil and salt scrub, a full body balancing massage, and a special Mediterranean skin food facial. Or you can also experience integrative therapies. At the Six Senses Spa, you can expect a complete overhaul of mind, body, and soul, all with a breathtaking view of the Asian Sea. When it comes to Italian food, there is no place that does it better than La Luce. La Luce, which in Italian means white light, offers the best of the contemporary Italian cuisine with dishes prepared to perfection. For dinner, this restaurant transforms into an open-air lounge overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. I watch eagerly as chefs create magic in the open show kitchen. Tantalizing aromas, delightful flavors, and elegant presentations of the gourmet pasta menu will definitely make it an unforgettable dining experience in La Luce. Bon appetit!
It's not warm.